you often work with text that contains too many blank or empty lines? Removing them manually can be frustrating, especially when you're dealing with long lists, copied text, or large documents. Meet Softaken Remove Blank Lines Online Free, a simple and convenient online tool designed to clean up your text in just a few clicks. The solution: simply paste your text into the tool, remove unwanted blank lines, and get clean, properly formatted text instantly. No complicated software installation. No manual editing. Benefits of Remove Blank Lines. Private and local, your data stays on your device. Free to use, no account or subscription required. No installation, works directly in your browser. Instant results, clean your text in seconds. No sign up, start using it immediately. How to use. Step 1. Enter your input. Paste or type your text into the input area, add the text you want to clean. Step 2. Run the tool. Click the Remove Blank Lines button to instantly remove unwanted blank lines from your text. Step 3. Copy or use output. Your clean text appears instantly below. Copy the result or continue editing as needed. Stop wasting time removing blank lines manually. Try Softaken Remove Blank Lines online free today and clean your text quickly, easily, and for free. Thanks for watching.